Ready? 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, the discussion on the wheat policy, I think, is a discussion on a subject which is of the paramount national importance, not only from the point of view of stabilizing the hyperinflation which has gripped the country, but also from the point of view of preserving the democratic system which we have built in country during last 74 to 5 years. The food crisis and the mismanagement and the loss of the food economy during the last few years has created a situation which threatened to assume the proportion of a serious law and order problem in various parts of the country. Anyway, at the best, we can say that giving up of that policy has been very short-sighted step taken out of the lack of victims, or worst, we can describe it as a panicky capitulation to the propaganda barrage of vested interests and reactionary elements in the country. The Agriculture Ministry fixed a target of 8 million tons of procurement of wheat. It was unrealistic target that was fixed. It was a target which was fixed on the assumption that rupees 150 crore which were provided for the Crash Rabi program would be utilized properly, and the shortfall of 15 million tons in Kharif that year would be more than made good in the Rabi program. But the report of the Comptroller and Auditor General has now revealed that the Agriculture Ministry and various agencies in the state government who were provided these funds misspent them and misappropriated them, did not utilize these funds for increasing agriculture production under the special Rabi Crash program. In fact, the money that should have been used for increasing agriculture production were used in some state for which in productive activity like purchase of luxury motor cars. Therefore, I say it was a wrong and artificial and unrealistic target. Secondly, from the very beginning, those who were in charge of administering this policy had no heart in it. A committee had been set up under the chairmanship of a member of planning committee to study how to implement the scheme of takeover of wholesale trade in wheat. The committee made 17 suggestions as to how to make the scheme a success. 15 out of 17 suggestions were not implemented at all by the government. The committee had also indicated that it would be appropriate to give a remunerative price to the farmer at that time. If you remember, it was a period of acute scarcity in the country. The government, a period of acute scarcity, the government had a stock of 9 million ton of food grain with it, and instead of preserving and distributing these 9 million tons through the public distribution system, they went on selling through the public distribution system. They went on selling this stock in the open market at the rate of 1 million ton a month, and it was only when the stock had been depleted with that, they said